Yo, what's up, everybody? Let's talk about Italy, land of history, art, and some of the most incredible food on the planet. But we're not diving into white tablecloths and Michelin stars today. No, we're going straight to the heart of it all: Italian street food. This is the stuff that's been fueling Romans and Florentines, Venetians and Neapolitans for centuries. It's the soul of the country, passed down through generations. Each bite, a tiny explosion of flavour. Get ready to loosen your belts and expand your palates, because we're about to embark on a delicious journey to discover the top 5 must-try street foods in Italy. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. First up, we're hitting Sicily for some arancini. These golden beauties are deep-fried balls of risotto, typically filled with ragu, mozzarella and peas. But don't be surprised to find modern twists like spinach and ricotta or even spicy sausage. The name arancini actually translates to little oranges, and you know what? They kind of look like them. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Legend has it that arancini dates back to the 10th century, a time when Arab rulers held sway over Sicily. They say the dish was designed to be portable, perfect for taking on long journeys. Whether you're conquering an empire or just exploring a new city, arancini is the perfect on-the-go snack. From Sicily, we travel north to Rome, the eternal city, where supply reigns supreme. Now, at first glance, you might think supply is just a Roman version of arancini. But you'd be wrong. Sure, it's a deep-fried rice ball, usually filled with tomato sauce and mozzarella. But the magic is in the details, people. Supply uses a different type of rice, resulting in a creamier texture. And that stringy mozzarella? That's the surprise in supply. When you pull it apart, you get this glorious cheese pull, like a delicious, cheesy telephone wire. Romans are serious about their supply. There are even competitions to find the best one in the city. So, when in Rome, do as the Romans do and grab yourself a supply, or 3. Chapter 3. Panzerotti, the calzone's rebellious cousin. Next stop, Puglia, the heel of Italy's boot, where the food is as vibrant as the coastline. And that's where we encounter panzerotti. Imagine a calzone's rebellious cousin ditching the plate and saying, "I'm going street food." Panzerotti is essentially fried dough, but instead of being folded like a calzone, it's a half-moon pocket of pure joy. The classic filling is tomato and mozzarella, but you'll find variations with spinach, ricotta, mushrooms, and even spicy salami. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. The beauty of panzerotti, like most street food, is its versatility. You can grab one for a quick lunch on the go, or savour it as an afternoon snack while you soak up the Italian sunshine. Chapter 4. Porchetta sandwich. Pork perfection. Let's be honest, no street food tour of Italy is complete without talking about pork. And when it comes to pork, it doesn't get much better than porchetta. Imagine this: a whole pig, deboned, seasoned with herbs and garlic, and slow roasted to perfection. The skin gets crispy, the fat melts into the meat, and the aroma alone is enough to make you weak in the knees. Now, stuff that succulent, flavourful pork into a crusty bread roll, and you have yourself a porchetta sandwich. It's a symphony of textures and flavours, a carnivore's dream come true. You'll find porchetta all over Italy, but it's particularly popular in central regions like Umbria and Lazio. Every region has its own special twist on the recipe, but one thing remains constant: the pure, unadulterated deliciousness. Chapter 5. Gelato. The sweet finale. All right, we've indulged in savory. Now it's time for the sweet finale. Gelato. Forget everything you think you know about ice cream, because gelato is in a league of its own. Made with less cream and eggs than traditional ice cream, gelato is churned slowly, resulting in a denser, richer, and more intensely flavored experience. And the flavors! Forget boring old vanilla and chocolate. We're talking pistachio from Bronte, Sicilian blood orange, creamy hazelnut, and even ricotta and fig. You'll find gelaterias on practically every corner in Italy, each one boasting its own unique and tantalizing flavors. Don't be afraid to be adventurous and try something new. Pro tip: a true gelato artisan will never use artificial colors or flavors. Look for natural, muted colors and get ready for a taste sensation. So, there you have it, folks. 5 incredible Italian street food experiences that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Next time you find yourself wandering the charming streets of Italy, remember this video. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You never know what culinary treasures you might discover. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures around the world. Ciao for now.